Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Oppo A16. To do this operation you have to turn off our device and next press and hold volume down here. Yep, there is a volume down and the power button together. So press and hold both the key. Now, first we have a turn off. Yep, as I said. So please turn off the device. After the four we're gonna wake up, press volume down, power button, okay. And after phone will wake up and show the logo Oppo, release power button as you see and still holding volume down, okay. That's it. And keep holding until you're gonna see a special logo. Yep, the select language, so we accept by power, go down, wipe data, accept by power, and now format data, accept by power. Please enter verification code to know that what you should know what you're doing, because you delayed and lost all of your files, so it be very important message. Okay, now you're gonna format your phone and all data from the phone gonna be erased, but the phone will start with the brand new firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. And that's it. The phone now is wake upping without any password, so I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!